I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get chlorophyll in PvZ Fusion. Chlorophyll is a crucial resource that empowers your plants, giving them significant boosts in battle. Understanding its acquisition is key to mastering the game's strategic depth. We will explore the primary methods for gathering this valuable substance, ensuring your plant army is always at its peak performance. Get ready to supercharge your defenses. Your Zen garden is the main source for chlorophyll. Plant seeds and nurture them by watering and fertilizing daily. As your plants grow and mature, they will produce chlorophyll. Harvest these fully grown plants to collect the resource. Remember, well-cared-for plants yield significantly more, so consistent attention to your garden is essential for a steady supply. Beyond your garden, you can earn chlorophyll by completing various in-game levels. Many stages offer chlorophyll as a reward for successful completion. Also, keep an eye out for special limited-time events. These often provide substantial chlorophyll bonuses. Don't forget to check your daily challenges, as they frequently include chlorophyll as a reward for finishing simple tasks. To maximize your chlorophyll gains, focus on upgrading your Zen garden. Expand your garden slots and enhance your watering cans and fertilizers for faster growth. Prioritize growing plants known for high chlorophyll yields. Make sure to log in every day to claim daily rewards and complete all available challenges. Consistent effort across all these areas will ensure a plentiful supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.